Monitech, leading name for industrial display solutions in the world market today. Proudly providing solutions for all your industrial display needs for hundreds of legacy controllers. Visit us at monitech.com. Thank you.
Hello and welcome back to another Monitech repair video. I'm Victoria and today we are going over how to replace the CCFL bulbs from Backlights in a Sharp LQ104V1DG21 LCD panel, and we're going to be replacing them with Monitech's MB1000ECCFLX2 bulbs. So first thing, you're going to want to remove the backlight from your LCD panel, and you do that by unscrewing this back container here. There are two for both of them. There are two screws holding them in, and you just take them out like so, removing the back cover here. We'll do them both at the same time. The process to remove both of these will be identical, but we only need to show you one, but I'm going to show you two just so you can see how to do both. So you remove both the backs, and then you very carefully pull out the backlight. So yeah, you just slowly take out the wire, very carefully pop up the bulb, watching the foil that's in this one. You unhook both wires, because this one is here too. You push it up like so and carefully remove it. And then you just have the backlight holder. So you take your Monitech part, and basically you just do that process in reverse. You put the pink wire on this side and pop it in. Just slowly push it in so it sits nice, perfectly still. You reach this way, you push the bulb in, you can bend the white section so it fits, and then you carefully loop the wire, and then you push it back in so it's held by the pins. And then you have two little holders here that you just push the white wire and the pink wire through. And then, so your wires are at this end of the LCD. You just sit it back in there. It will go in. If it doesn't go in, you might not have pushed it in all the way. You just pushed it in a little bit more, and then it should fit in. And then you just put the back on. Grab your screws. You can either choose to put the screws in before grabbing the screwdriver, or put the screw on the screwdriver and put it in. I'm doing the latter because this is a magnetic screwdriver, and it'll just start picking up the screws instead of letting you screw it in. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.